In this video, I'll be showing you the altcoins on the WeUsecoins website. On this page, you will see lots of coins that you can click. These are altcoins that are part of Bitcoin. You can click it to go and visit their website, or you can just read more over here. You could also see these details. It will say, here is the deal. And you can read this in your spare time. Over here, you can see a banner, a subscribe, a follow button, and some shortcuts where you can click. If you're wondering what is this blue get notifications button, this is where you get notifications updates from the WeUsecoins website. You can click allow or not now. You can click the arrow to never allow, so it won't show again. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you want to find more information, you can visit the WeUsecoins website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you learn the altcoins on the WeUsecoins website.